Good morning, everyone. So today's video, I'm gonna show how I'm gonna use some metal jack pads that we got from Amazon. These are actually for Corvettes. They're made in China, for those who are asking, and I got these on Amazon. They come in different colors. I got the 4-pack black version. You've already saw me post pictures, so I'm gonna try to do a tutorial today on the installation process and exactly where these goes. And I'll also provide a link later. We don't sell these, so just let you know these are all Amazon purchases. So we're gonna go underneath the car and then show where these jack pads go. So for those who may not know, the car itself has these little arrows here. Let me see if I can show it clearly. Arrow here, arrow here. This is the front of the car. This designates this area here. These little bolts in between these two bolts as the jack points. So what we do is that you see this hole. It's already an existing hole. This is where the puck fits in. And this is where the screw goes in play. The problem with the current design, not necessarily a huge problem, only one of the screw can go in, but you can tighten it so that it really won't impact it. So let me go ahead and take this out and show you how to do the install. So I'm going to show you how to put the puck in here. So first and foremost, you thread it into the puck, and then you thread in the screw just slightly. You don't want to go too far in, just enough to hold the piece like this, and then you're going to angle it into this slot. Now it sits, and then from there you're going to grab your hex tool using the weight of the puck. You're going to just tighten it. Unfortunately, because of that rail here, you can't get both puck or both nail in, but it's okay. It's actually, I mean, I'm pretty confident it'll hold. So just tighten it using the weight, gravity. Just make sure you hold the puck down. That's really kind of what drives the gravity of the screw into the little slot that we're trying to thread to. So we'll go ahead and keep turning, and eventually, after a high number of turns, it will slowly and gradually get tight. And at that point, again, just keep turning. What I do is, once I get to the point where it's tightened up, I'll go ahead and loosen it back up a little bit to adjust it. Get it nice fit. Now you just tighten it all the way, take it back out, give it a nice little, and there you go. And now you can use this as a jack pad. Hopefully this tutorial was simple and easy. You cannot get the other one unless you drill through. I don't recommend it. This will hold. All right, take care.